Greetings. Comparing and ordering decimals. Comparing decimals. Which is bigger, 5.2053 or 5.2052? Okay, first we'll put the two numbers above each other like that. Then we'll compare each and every number of them. We'll start from the left, from the 5. Then we'll go each time one digit to the right. So we'll start here. 5 is equal to 5. Here 2 is equal to 2. 0 is equal to the 0 and 5 is equal to the 5. Here 3 is greater than 2, then 5.2053 is greater than 5.2052. Exercise 1. Compare the following decimals using smaller than, greater than, or equal. 4.22 and 3.7. Of course, 4 is greater than 3, so 4.22 is greater than 3.7. 2.32 and 2.45. Okay, we'll go to the 2. They are the same. 3, no 4 is greater. So 2.32 is smaller than 2.45. 5.334 and 5.335. Okay, we'll look here. They're the same. Here it's 4 and here it's 5. So this decimal is greater than this decimal. Okay. 2.29 and 2.290. Of course, this 0 doesn't matter, so they are equal to each other. 2.5 and 2.57. Of course, after this 5 there is a 0, so this decimal is greater, so 2.5 is smaller than 2.57. 7.8 and 8.45. Of course, 8 is greater, so 7.8 is smaller than 8.45. Okay, 2.446 and 2.445. Of course, this decimal is greater, so it's 2.446 greater than 2.445. 7.39 and 7.390. Of course, they are the same because this 0 doesn't matter. Ordering decimals. Ascending order, or from least to greatest. First, we will put the numbers above each other like that and align them together. Then we will start comparing the first digit, then the second digit. Here, we know that this decimal here is the lowest between all of them, and this digit here is the highest between all of them. So this here is the greatest decimal, so it will be at the end because it says from the least to greatest. Then this decimal here will be the first one we write. Then we will continue with these two to know which one comes first or which one of them is lower than the other. Here they are both 0 and here they are both 5. Now here it appears this decimal is smaller than this decimal, so we'll write it first. Then finally this decimal. Then the greatest decimal, which is 5.8. Exercise 2. Order from least to greatest. Okay, so we have these decimal values and we want to order them from least to greatest. Okay, which one of those is the least decimal? Here it's 2.9, 2.0, 2.8. This first digit is 0. So this is the least. This is 8.3. Here it's 8.4. Then finally this one. Okay, if you are confused, you can use the method I used previously. Put them above each other and compare them digit by digit. Okay, now we have these decimal numbers. Let's see which of them is the least. Here's 8.314. This is the lowest decimal here. Then 8.541. then 8.598, then 8.8. Ordering decimals. Now it's the descending order, or from greatest to least. Now we will start as previously. We'll compare them digit by digit. Now we will look for the largest one. We will put it first. Now we have 5.8. 8 is the largest number, so we will start by it. And you know now 5.105 is the least decimal here, so it will be at the end. What's left is to compare between these two. Now it's 0, it's the same. 5, it's the same. Now here is the 3 and the 2, so this is greater. We'll put it first, then this one, then this one, the lowest that we discovered at the beginning. Exercise 3. Order from greatest to least. Okay, let's look for the greatest decimal. It's 5.3, it's the greatest one here. Okay, then it's 5.2, then 5.13, greater than 5.12, then 5.123. Now we want to find the greatest one, so it's 6295, it's the greatest one, then 6290, and 62383, then 61833. That's it for today. Now it's riddle time. Now, what is the only prime number that ends with 5? It's the 5.